Hello, friends. A very warm welcome. Welcome to Ansarkari, your own platform, foundation, and also harbinger of success. I am Vikas Bhardwaj. Today, we are taking up a very important personality of modern India, जिनका नाम भी है, जिनके बारे में जानना भी जरूरी है, और after knowing about her, you will be definitely proud of India's legacy and also commitment and dedication of our freedom fighters. So she is a role model not just as a woman. Her contribution to Mother India makes her a revered figure. तो चलिए जानते हैं उषा मेहता जी के बारे में. गांधीयन एंड फ्रीडम फाइटर, दोनों पॉइंट जुड़े हुए हैं, लेकिन इतने कैजुअल नहीं है like the way we usually take up. A determined figure since her childhood, Usha Bain or Usha ji is remembered most importantly for secret radio or the Congress radio, which she was running along with Aruna Asaf Ali and her other associates, including Vittalbhai Javeri, Chandrakant Javeri, Babubhai Thakkar, Nanka Motwani, and others. They all contributed in forms of men and material. सामान भी देंगे, साथ भी देंगे, यानी कि एक आस, एक किरण, एक सोच, एक ऐसे टाइम पर जब इंडिया में क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट चल रही थी, यानी पीपल्स मूवमेंट, यानी कि स्पॉन्टेनियस रिस्पॉन्स. दैट मीन्स हर रोल वॉज ऑल्सो सेल्फलेस, अमेजिंग, इंस्पायरिंग and definitely committed to the core. The secret radio was operating not just from one location, they were moving the equipment from place to place. It was running on 42.34 megahertz. लेकिन British rule was also equally after her life. That is how she was involved also with hoisting tricolor flag on 9th August 1942 at Gowalia Tank Ground. That was marking the beginning of Quit India movement. और अगर और पीछे जाएंगे, since her childhood she was involved into great events and happenings, for example Simon Commission. यानी कि भारत के लिए ओजस्वी, तेज और उसकी धरती के लिए कुछ कर गुजरने की क्षमता उषा बेन में बचपन से ही थी. And that is why even when this secret radio was caught, you know how it came into hands of British. It was an Indian technician only who went on to give information to British that from where it is operating. So कह सकते हैं अपनों ने ही डुबोया, गैरों में दम नहीं था. लेकिन when she was presented in front of the judge, she refused to answer any questions, and thus she was imprisoned for 4 years. Usha Bain is known not only for her exploits and her commitment during freedom struggle, but afterwards also. She did her PhD from University of Bombay, and her doctoral thesis was on political and social thought of Gandhiji. A prolific writer, a great role model, writing in English and Gujarati, she inspired a generation of masses. Usha ji was also involved with Gandhi Smarak Nidhi and Gandhi Peace Foundation and Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. यानी एक सोच थी, एक जीवन दर्शन था, एक विचारधारा थी, एक अप्रोच थी, जिसके लिए भारत में ग्रेट रिमेम्बरेंस है उनकी. She was given Padma Vibhushan and many more leaders like her, which we call selfless leaders. They have contributed greatly to India, or you can say our motherland. If we see her contribution in terms of historians, then it is written that she was a great inspiration for the message of secularism, message of internationalism, brotherhood and freedom. कांग्रेस रेडियो में क्या चलता था? बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स नहीं थे, भजन कीर्तन हो सकते हैं, लेकिन वो भी देश प्रेम के लिए और देशभक्ति के लिए। एक एक बात को सुनने के लिए लोग तड़पते थे। आज के समय में देयर इज ओवरबर्डनिंग ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. We have to think something of fake news, and those were the times when every word, every single breath of a great leader was an inspiration. So we must learn, we must cherish their ideals. That is why उन्होंने बोला that new generation of political activists and leaders, they are paying scant respect to Gandhian ideas, especially non-violence. That means she was aware of the fact that only peace can bring progress, and definitely it demands lot of patience and dedication. So there are no shortcuts. Light way to success, similarly to growth of a nation. So let's see what was the question with respect to Usha Mehta ji that was asked in CSE 2011. With reference to Indian freedom struggle, Usha Mehta is well known for running the secret Congress radio in the wake of Quit India movement, participating in the second roundtable conference. That is not true, as she was a child. She was living her dream of participating into Indian freedom struggle, leading a contingent of Indian National Army. That's also not true. Assisting in the formation of interim government under Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So definitely she may be in the background, but the real correct answer is running secret radio, Congress radio. That is why the correct answer is A. So keep watching, sharing, and participating in our ideas so as to bring you near success. Do get back on critical aspects. Thank you very much for liking, sharing, and subscribing our channel.